I'm Kathy, and this is my sister Becky, and we are co-owners of Miss Cayce's. We create, inspire, and educate to decorate.
We want to show you how seasonally we can change outdoor decor, and tonight we're going to be doing a Hoppy Easter Teardrop.
It's totally for beginners. It's a relaxed atmosphere. Our designers walk you through every stage.
And it's great because you learn how to tie a bow, you learn how to weave in your ingredients, how to finish it off with a focal point and a sign, and it's just a fun, comfortable atmosphere.
These classes are great because you can add so much cheer to your home, and you did it yourself.
Okay, welcome. Thanks everybody for coming. We're gonna make the Hoppy Easter Teardrop tonight.
Teresa will be here to help you guys enjoy yourself, and we want you all to add some holiday seasonal cheer to your door.
We usually pick 3 ribbons. So that's kind of where we're gonna start. I'm gonna let you kind of think about that. We usually do a thicker ribbon and then a couple thinner ribbons. Lots of times we pick 3 different colors. It just adds a little bit more dimension. We're gonna add spring greenery because it's not Christmas, so we want our teardrop to be springy. You can put any kind of greenery you want. Ivy, they call this a pepper leaf. So you're gonna do just like you did your teardrop. You're gonna really pull it out and just like spread each little branch apart. And we're just gonna spread them out, and we're gonna add some pretty spring greenery to our teardrop. At the top, you're gonna take one of your teardrop green from each side, and then you're just gonna twist them, and that's how we're gonna hold it in there. The pastel's gonna go just a tiny bit lower than the others. And you're gonna do the same thing with them. You're just gonna kind of pull them all out, 3-dimensional. So we'll have the smaller piece, but then you're just gonna open those out and just weave them together. You're gonna take 2 pieces of your greenery, one at the top, and wire it around to hold it in there, and then one kind of at the bottom of there. Anchor it like in 2 places. Now we're gonna take your little rabbit, and he's gonna go right in the middle. He's your focal point. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take these wires, and you can wire them with one of the greenery. And you can pull your little eggs through around the sides, whatever you wanna do on there. Okay, it looks good. Now we're gonna do our bow. The widest goes in the back. When I tie a bow, I just find the middle, fold it in, and make your first loop, pinch that as well. Your loop is just a little smaller than your tail. Another loop, your cute little tail, pinch it in the middle. Now you're gonna do the same thing with the green. And then you're gonna put it on the back of your first one and twist it tight to hold it there. You guys did so good. They look so pretty, so cute. Take your plain door now. All you have to do is just add a cute little doormat, put your teardrop on it. Really simple to decorate. But you don't have to have a whole lot. You can just start off with 1 or 2 little things, and your house looks totally decorated for Easter. Turns out so cute. And now your whole front door is done.